Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. Inshallah, in this video, we are going to learn one great story about the fazilat of Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim and barakat of Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. One story was written in Faizan-e-Sunnat, very nice and very great story. So in this story we have the lesson that before starting every work, we should read Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Reading of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim is Sunnat. It means if you want to get the barakat of in that work, before eating you are reading Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, you will get the barakat in your food. Before drinking the water you are reading the Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, you will get the barakat in your water. Before taking any medicine, Allah Ta'ala only gives us health. So until we read Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, that medicine never give us health. So before taking any medicine, it is sunnat we should read Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And before any work, we are cooking the food, and everybody want that this curry should be nice and good and tasty, so we should read Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As in Hadith Sharif came, Man lam yabda Bismillahi fahuwa abta'u wa aqta'u. Whoever does not read Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, so that work will be incomplete. So let's start that story. That one Jewish girl was listening. One scholar, one Buzruk, one Alim Sahab was explaining about the Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And in the Hadith Sharif, maximum Hadith Sharifa is there. So that scholar, that Alim Sahab explain, read Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name is there, Rahman, Rahim, lot of fazilat and barakat. That scholar, that Maulvi Sahab explained. So in that majmu'ah, in that place, one Jewish girl was there. She listened and she accepted the Islam. Now what happened? Before doing any work, she was reading Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Whenever she is giving anything, before giving anything, she is reading Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Whatever she is taking, she is reading Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Whatever she is cooking, she is reading Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Whenever she is walking, she is reading the Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So their parents, because they are the Jews, so when they saw that my daughter is always reading Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, so they disappointed. So first they started to harm her. First they stopped, don't read, but that girl did not stop. Continuously she is reading. So now parent decided that no, something we must do it. So in that period, his father was the minister and there was one king also. So parents thought an idea that okay, let's blame upon that daughter and send to the jail. Yeah, otherwise let's plan such a thing that that girl should be killed. So what happened? So father got one idea, one plan. So father gave one ring. So in that period, it was like a card. So whoever has this ring, So in that ring, name of king and everything was written. So father thought that okay, means father gave that ring to the daughter. So before taking the ring, the girl read Bismillah Rahman Rahim and took that ring and kept in the pocket. So then that girl slept. Again father went and took out that ring. So and he went out and threw in the river. So suddenly what happened? That ring entered in the water. In the water, one fish swallowed that ring. So then next day, one fisherman put the net in the water and caught same that fish. So that fisherman next day he brought that fish near that king. So there this father, who is the wazir minister in near the king. So that man gifted him. So this father took that fish and came to the house and gave to the daughter and told her, cook this fish. So daughter read Bismillah Rahman Rahim and took the fish and entered in the kitchen room and cut the fish. So suddenly what happened that when that daughter cut the stomach, so same ring came, which one his father gave her. So the daughter read Bismillah Rahman Rahim and took that ring, and again she read Bismillah Rahman Rahim and kept in her pocket. So after cooking, that girl put the fish in front of the father and mother. They ate. Now father asked her daughter, give me my ring. So the daughter put her hand in the pocket and read Bismillah Rahman Rahim and gave that ring to the father. Father surprised, because father thought that no, anyhow today I will send to my daughter either jail, or I will blame that my daughter has stolen my ring. So father was thinking lot of things. So now when the daughter read Bismillah Rahman Rahim and took out her ring and gave to her father, now father was surprised. So this was the nice and good story. From this story we have the lot of lesson is there. So basically this, which kind of plan parents thought that they wanted to kill her. They wanted to send her to the prison, because this girl continuously she was reading the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So the barakat of Bismillah Rahman Rahim, that Bismillah Rahman Rahim save her, and lot of things are there. The next, the basic important thing in Bismillah Rahman Rahim, there are the three names of Allah Ta'ala. One is a Isme Jalala, Bismillah, Allah name. Allah name is a Isme Jalala. Next one is Ar-Rahman, best merciful, very very great merciful. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim also. Rahim meaning also same. So very too much Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is merciful. How much Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is merciful? See, we are not reading namaz, we are not doing any good thing, but still we are taking the food and we are enjoying the whole life. So that is the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How much Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is merciful. Thank you for watching this video. If anything is there, please comment and remember me in your dua.